Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson SST. Subject is SST. Lesson number 1, India our country. India our country. Okay, in this read the lesson and remove the some questions answers. Already we removed out. See. What are the different names of India? What are the different names of India? Look here. Read this one, you will get the answers. Bharat, Hindustan and Hindustan are two different names of India. Second question is, in which continent India lies? India lies in the continent of Asia. Question number 3, what kind of diverse physical features India has? India has diverse physical features such as mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. Question number 4, what has made India a popular tourist destination across the world? The presence of such diversity in our the presence of such diversity in our natural regions as well as our culture and heritage has made India a popular tourist destination across the world. Understood, kids? These are some question answers we already removed from this one, India our country lessons. Okay, these question answers I given you. But in homework, I'll give you. Next, we are going to revise the second lesson. Second lesson is the northern mountains. Second lesson, we are going to revise the northern mountains. See, some important points we are going to revise. These all points in this one lesson. 1. The Himalayas are very high mountain ranges located in The Himalayas are very high mountain ranges located in where? Northern India. Located in northern India. 2. The Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. Third point is Mount Everest. Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain peak, is located in the Himalayas. Mount Everest, the world's highest mountain peak, it is located in the Himalayas. 4. The Greater Himalayas form the northernmost mountains ranges and are called the Himadri. The Greater Himalayas form the northernmost mountain ranges and are also called the Himadri. Fifth point is the Himachal region is particularly known for its scenic hill stations. Sixth point is the Sivalika hills are the southernmost mountain ranges of the Himalayas. The Sivalika hills are the southernmost mountain ranges of the Himalayas. Here our lesson revision over. Okay. In short form, in small points, we revise the whole lesson. Now we are going to revise the exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Already we all solved this one. We learned the lesson. We revised the revision portion also. But again once time, we are going to revise the exercise. Okay. The the northeastern seven sisters do not include the northeastern seven sisters do not include which one? Punjab. They do not include Punjab. Options given Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, but we remove this one, Punjab. This one, the northeastern seven sisters include Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. It do not include Punjab. B. Many of world's highest peaks, such as Mount Everest and Mount K2, are the part of the Himadri. Check your answer. Check out. Already we wrote in notebook and textbook. Check the answer correct or wrong. Okay. Here 3 options are given. We chosen this one, Himadri. It is correct. Shivalik Hills and the Himachal, these are incorrect answers. C. Wild animals such as leopard, tigers and dash dash given, we wrote here, sambas are found in the Himalayan mountain ranges. Options are sambas, zebra, lion. Our answer is correct, sambas. D. The dash dash given, we wrote here Himachala. The Himachala region is the Himalayas is known for its hill stations. Options are Himadri, Shivalik Hill or Himachala. Answer is Himachal. Are you checking now? Everybody's this one? Everybody? You open your textbook and notebook both when you are going to watch the video and check that one your answers. It's the revision time is there. Now second question, tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Tick the correct and cross for the wrong ones. Okay. Number 2, tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Already we did it. Okay. So revising. A. The entire northern part of India is covered by the Himalayan ranges. The entire northern part of India is covered by Himalayan ranges. Yes, it is correct. 2. B. There is a no vegetation in Himadri. Yes, there is a no vegetation in Himadri. So make a tick. C. There are many beautiful valleys between the Shivalik Hill and Middle Himalayas. Yes, it is correct. Put here tick. There are many beautiful valleys between the Shivalik Hills and the Middle Himalayas. D. The Himalayas protect us from the cold wind blowing from across the mountain ranges. Yes, Himalaya protect us from blowing the cold wind across the mountain ranges. Yes. So put the all ticks. Next, turn the page and see. Question number 3. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. We all this one revised for FA1 and in class videos also. But we should again this one revise because for SA1 soon coming your SA1 exam means semester. Okay, semester first. Question A. What are glaciers? Name 2 glaciers present in Himadri. What are glaciers? Name 2 glaciers present in Himadri, or in bracket the Greater Himalayas. Class 4 subject topic 2 the Northern Mountains revision. Question answers revision. Question A. Answer the following questions. Question A. What are glaciers? Name two glaciers present in Himadri or the Greater Himalayas. Answer. Glaciers are huge block of ice that move very slowly down the mountains. Glaciers are huge blocks of ice that move very slowly down the mountains. Example, Gangotri and Yamunotri, two are examples present in Himadri. Next question. Name the three Himalayan ranges. Name the three Himalayan ranges. Name the three Himalayan ranges are the Greater Himalayas or the Himadri. Second is the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal. Third one is the Outer Himalayas or the Siwalik Hills. Means the Himalayan ranges are the Himadri, the Himachal, the Siwalik Hills. Otherwise, the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas are the three Himalayan ranges. Next question, see. Why do people go to hill stations in summer? Why do people go to hill stations in summer? Name two hill stations in the Middle Himalayas. Why do people go to hill stations in summer? Name the two hill stations present in Middle Himalayas. The hill stations are high altitude towns. For recreations and enjoyment, the hill stations are situated on the high altitude due to which it is face low temperature, so people go to hill stations to escape such as the hot and humid conditions. For example, Kulu and Manali. Now, question number D. What are valleys? Name two valleys in India. What are valleys? Name two valleys in India. Question D. What are valleys? Name two valleys in India. Valleys are low areas surrounded by mountains or hills. Valleys are low areas surrounded by mountains or hills. Two valleys, Kangra Valley and Kulu Valley. Kulu and Kangra, two valleys, okay, in India. Next, which one question? E. In what way do the Himalayas protect India? In what way do the Himalayas protect India? Question E. In what way do the Himalayas protect India? Answer is, the Himalayas works as defense barrier. The Himalayas works as defense barrier. High altitude and rough climate conditions protect us in the north from any military invasions. The Himalayas works as a climate barrier. They also protect us from the cold and dry winds blowing from the north. They also prevent the rain-laden monsoon winds from the Indian Oceans from crossing over the northern countries. Understood, kids? So, see next question. Why are Gaghar and Ramgarh known as the football of Kumaon region? Why? Why are the Gaghar and Ramgarh known as the football of Kumaon region? Gaghar and Ramgarh are located in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand. Gaghar and Ramgarh located in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand at height of 1789 meter above the sea level. for its abundant produce of fruits. It is called the fruit bowl of Kumaigaon. Understood? These all question answers I will give. I will show you in homework. I will give you as a homework. Until you read the lesson, revise the revision portion and revise the exercise along with question answers. Understood, kids? Thank you for watching the video.